Dripping sauce, dripping sauce, dripping sauce, Saturday, Saturday, dripping drip. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make honey mustard, okay? Finally was able to get around to get some honey, alright? So the first thing you're going to need is honey. Right here I have honey, alright? The next thing you're going to need is mustard, alright? Alright, so first thing you're going to do is open up the honey and pour a little bit of honey inside of a bowl. If your honey's been in the refrigerator, it may take some time to get the honey out of the bowl, out of the bottle. All right, so you're gonna put some honey. All right, you're gonna get some honey, and you're gonna put the honey in a bowl just like that. All right, stop, honey. All right. And then you're going to take some mustard and put some mustard in a bowl like that. Then you're going to take a spoon and you're going to stir the spoon. Let me get in so you can see some of the texturation. All right. And that's Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce.